Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Owen. So it's been a long time since the first review for the HUAYEE. It's already 1 year. So this time we're gonna talk about another machine, 1.4 ton HUAYEE HY14C. So this is the guy. So whether you are the contractor or the landscaper, even you are the homeowner, so this machine is built. It's built to put down the serious work. So over the next 10 minutes, so we're gonna take the deep review all of the engineer specs and the every future. So finally, we're gonna just put this machine into the real world to do the field tasks. So let's go. Okay, then we have a look from the back. So we can open the first. Okay, first of all, we can take a look at this guy. This is the real cast iron counterweight. So you can listen to this is the real guy. So it's the genuine article. Just back to the core of this power from. This is this well-known US built the Briggs Stratton XR2100. So this is a 13.5 horsepower, the gas engine. So you can look at deep. So this is a Weber mount. We got a full piece of Weber mount. So, well, I can tell you one more thing is, as you remember that there, it's been a long time, around 1 year ago. So there's a video made by another guy. So can show you there's a fan just over here, but you can see this is empty. There's no fan. So I already received many guys. So told us why there's no this fan, but I can tell you we already upgrade, so you can look through it here. We can change the position here. So this is the one. So this kind of cooler. So look at the high quality mesh is just combine just the cooler. So that means we can just keep the heat under control, even go through the summer working days. So we can have a text, so you can hear it. So we turn on the key. So this is where the cooler at. That's it. So we're gonna step in here. So I'm gonna introduce more, just like the dashboard, something. So first of all, we're gonna talk about the hydraulic joysticks. So just a little small input, they're gonna give you a super smooth control. So look at here, the dashboard. This is for the battery, and this is for the working hours, and this is the button for the light. So this is the control key. For the lever here is this going with the arm, and this is for the blades up and down. This is for traveling. And look at in the front here. So this we got a cap hold, and the other thing is for the phone, for the cell phone mount. So that means when you are working here, so you can just put your phone. Oh, it's very easy to do that. So you don't miss any phone call here. So even you are doing the business, something while you are doing the work, so you can just you are not gonna miss any call. So look at where I'm sitting on here. It's a very suitable chair and kind of a adjustable forward and backward. So that means it's kind of a machine for yourself, but it's kind of the toys for your kids, so they can just play around, in your yard. So looking down here, so look at the pedal. So there's so many customers always say there's not enough room for their feet. So I got a feet. Look, so if you have no place to put your feet on, so you can just put it here. But this kind of protection, no worries about just you can put your feet on here. So you can just open it up, and we got two pedals here, the left one and the right one. So the left one we control for the hydraulic thumb, and the right one for the swing arm. So if you don't need it, just put it back. So just put the feet on. Okay, it's perfect. So looking up here, this is kind of a fuel filling funnel. Wow, this is where it's helpful. There's many guys just always say it's hard to get the fuel fillings in, but wow, this is really helpful. So we talked about the canopy. Look, I'm pushing hard this canopy, so this is reliable. So I can tell what they are just not a canopy, but this kind of a protection. What kind of protection can give to you is ropes, lower protective structure. So what it means, it's not means we want to use roll over, but wow, maybe sometimes this can protect your life. But I'm not mean to that, but I'm speaking to the high quality build. So it's looking here, so this means can removable. So that means there's no any issue to just put this guy into the garage. So that's it. So we go to the next. So we're gonna talk about how to do the start process. So there's so many customers when they receive this new machine, they have no idea how to start it. So wow, this is a gas engine. So what I mean is there's huge difference process between the gas and the diesel. So I'm gonna show you how to start this machine. So first of all, we got we had to just pull up the truck. And second of all, we're gonna pull up the throttle, maybe just the middle. The 45 degrees, just the middle, it's okay. So we're gonna turn on the key. You can hear you can hear it. When you hear this, you have to pull down the truck. So that's it. So if you are worried about cannot doing well, you can just pull up the throttle. My right hand. You can hear it. Yeah, sir. This is the engine working. So how you turn off the machine to come inside? Just to turn the key off. So that's it. Okay, so we can look at the arm. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, this is the hydraulic thumb. So how it works? You can just hook it up with this bucket. You can grab or lift the outside material, just like the tree stumps or the rocks. So just go ahead. So this is kind of a quick coupler. So later I'm going to show you how it works. So it's very convenient to change the different attachments. So just to talk about how to change the different attachments, I'm going to say there's a three-way start-off valve. So it's what kind of easy. You can just turn from A to the B. So we're gonna connect the hydraulic hose, connect with the different hydraulic attachment. So you can just use the same pedal. Just look here. This is the pedal control for the hydraulic thumb. So when you already turn the position to this way, so this is the same pedal control the different hydraulic attachment. So that's going up. So you can see that there's some kind of a protection here. So this is we are already upgraded. So there's some protection for the hydraulic cylinder here. So we can just see the outer hoses here. So it's covered by the heel spring sleeves. So that's going to the arm here. So most of our hydraulic hoses just rotates into the arm. So this is very great protection for the hydraulic hoses. But the most important, we used the continental hydraulic hoses from Germany. I was just going down here. So okay, look here. There's another protection for the hydraulic cylinder for the blade. And look at the blade. It's a thick end blade. you can compare it. It's in my hand here. Okay, so look at here, this one. So there's so many guys just talking about this one. Wow, this is a real one-piece casting things. Wow, this is a heavy-duty guy. This is really. Well, just look at the body of this machine. So this is the white, right? The color. So I can tell you one more thing is, actually this is the paint finish as the same spraying process as the automobiles. Just for example, just comparing with the other white brand and different brand. So just like looks like the limousine and other like the regular cars. So that's it. Okay, let's go a quick look. So look at this. This we already upgraded to the external power connector. So we can just take it off. So this means very convenient for you if you have some maintenance or have to check the issues about the battery. You don't have to go inside, just put it on, take everything open and go inside check. So you can just do it just right here. It's very super easy. Okay, so we just finished the digging task. So I can tell you this HUAYEE the maximum the digging depth is going to be 65 inches with over 3 meters, just around 118 inches digging ridge. So this is just only 37 inches wide, so it's kind of easy just get through your narrow gutter gate and can straight load on the regular trailer and easy for the transport. So generally speaking, they threw in the Briggs Stratton 13.5 horsepower gas engine and more protections and the hydraulic thumb. This is a great guy, great mini excavator we have. So if you got the value from this video, please hit the like button. So if you're welcome to you guys come to our official website, then you can get the direct factory pricing. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Owen. So I will catch you out in the next job site. See you guys.